I always divide renovation into necessities, right? Absolute must-haves. If not, the house is not livable. Then you will have a nice to have. 200,000, right? Is 200,000 merely for all the necessary one or the nice to have things? And the necessary things means like a structural change. Is there like structural cracks in the house? Or is there a need to really redo all the wiring? Or is there a need to replace a water storage tank? Or is there a need to replace all the toilets or whatsoever? Are there ways to salvage all this? Then all the plug points, all these needs to change, because if you don't, later catch fire, the whole house gone. So these are the needs, right? You need them to function well. Electricity, water, sewerage, structure, boundary elements, which is like door, window, gate, and things like that. Then we move in further. These are then the levels of nice to have, which is like, oh, I must have furniture. Furniture, you got cheap furniture, expensive furniture, ma. Kitchen cabinet, got cheap way to do it, very expensive way to do it, ma. That's the very weird thing about human behavior. If I were to give you 100,000 in budget, you will find ways to complete it in 100,000. But if you know that you have extra money left to be spent, you know what? Renovation once in a lifetime only, ma. Must treat ourselves better. We work so hard, right? Get a better chair lah, get a better kitchen lor, get a better bed lor, get a better everything. So those are the main expenses. And renovations beyond necessities, right? All are expenses.